Hey gorgeous girls, this is Shehla today, getting ready for an event. So let's get started with this eye look. It is a stunningly beautiful, very simple to create eye look, and this is how we will get started. We will prime the eyes first. You can use the concealer, but I love the P. Louise bases. They are amazing. And I use the shade 0.01. I'm using two crayons today, one of these and one by the NYX. So both are in green color. One is like a dark green and the other one is this color. This is by NYX and this is by Sephora. Both are highly affordable. Now we come to the next part. Take the crayon and you will go onto your lid first. This is where we will start. I will go in a dome and then towards the end I will take it like a wing. See, going very darkly. I will take a round brush, small round brush like that, because we are going to disperse the intensity of the color. Very long lasting, very nice, NYX, highly affordable brand, and they came up with this great product. So it has been in the market for years. So this is how I blend out. I'm going up and blending out. So doing both one after the other. This is how the shape is created. I will go down a little bit. Like this. I went all the way in. I will take this color, which will create another dimension into the color. So I will go with this on top, same, and then it changes the intensity, and the mix of two colors creates a more brighter green. Use any black kajal. I'm using this kajal pencil, which I am totally loving. It is by Tarte and they are amazing. I go out on the outer corner like a wing. I will take a liner. I've got this from a Japanese brand in Singapore, so you can use any waterproof liner. I will take this one and then run it along the lash line. Now what we will do, we'll smudge out a little bit what we have done at around especially the outer edge. Now comes the part where we make everything gorgeous. You see this glitter in here? This is what we are doing today. Danessa Myrex. This is lightning bolt. Look at the beauty of this product. We'll take some in the cap, and then you need a brush, which is something, a flat small brush like that, and we will take some product onto it. Now comes to the application. You can make it a heavy application, you might make it a lighter application. I will stick to my technique. See how I'm doing it. I am quickly moving around. So all the glitter is dispersing onto my lid very quickly with me, like just a little bit. See? I will put on my mascara, which is like a waterproof mascara, and the lashes and everything. Lashes are done. This is how the makeup looks. And then we'll come to the highlight part. I will do a little corner highlight. My makeup is incomplete without my corner highlight, because that gives the enhancement to my makeup. And I will go with the same brush under the brow to create the highlighted look. So this is my tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will be sharing the final look.